The accurate way to download Turnitin plagiarism report by using your Turnitin student account. Let me guide you how you can download the report. For downloading the report, here is the your class and this slot. This is the class where I have submitted the plagiarism file, and now and this is the slot where I have submitted the file, and this is the plagiarism percentage. Click on the file or on plagiarism percentage below the similarity option. I just clicked on this, and after clicking on this, my plagiarism report is just opening. For downloading the plagiarism report, here is the option of download. To click on the current view. As you can see that in the current view, all the plagiarism have been mentioned. And now the plagiarism file have been downloaded. Let me show you in the download options. Here you can see that this is the plagiarism report downloaded. Okay, this is the plagiarism report, and this is the accurate way you can use Turnitin for submitting file and downloading your plagiarism report. If you don't know how to submit the file for checking plagiarism, in the previous video I have explained the how you can submit your file in no repository on Turnitin. Always make sure to submit your file in no repository rather than using repository. If you put on repository, your file will submit it and 100% plagiarism